This is Ryan with Young Truck and Trailer in Kaysville doing a brief walk around of this 2020 Logan Coach ZBROZ edition. Show you some of the great features this trailer comes with. This one includes a garage underneath the gooseneck. Secure all your propane, batteries, and tire. You have an adjustable gooseneck, so for those lifted trucks, you can adjust that and fit your truck. And then we have powered landing gear. And on our ramps, we have the heavy-duty caliber traction kit. And here we have the heated boot warmer. It'll dry 8 pairs of boots. We have a gear locker, all your helmets, gloves, and you can put your hats and gloves up here to warm that as well. We have the 75,000 BTU Hot Dawg heater, the max fan with rain sensing feature, and then we also have an AC unit. You have stereo system with an amplifier. We have a couch that folds down into a bed. This one comes with a fuel door. We also have this extra bench for additional seating. And we have another couch here, extra storage. Then with the climate control, we have thermostats to control both heaters. You can program those to come on before you get back from riding at the end of the day, if you want to be warmer. We also have the ceiling hoist, holds up to about 1,000 pounds, and a monosuit holder on the ceiling, so you can dry all your gear at the end of the day. An additional bench on this side. And then over here we have a work table. So you can put all your gear there, eat lunch, whatever you need there. Something new for 2020 is the moisture trough. So as your snow and everything melts, you can pull the plug and it goes out as you're driving home rather than collecting against your gear, your rear flap here. You also, new for 2020, you get a squeegee. So the rear ramp is also rated for 2,500 pounds, and it comes with the caliber high quality traction kit. So come and see us at Young Truck and Trailer for all your trailer needs. Thank you.